Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you some of the most beautiful and trending crochet blouse designs for 2026. If you love fashion, handmade creativity, and stylish outfits, then you're definitely in the right place. Crochet blouses continue to grow in popularity because they combine elegance, comfort, and unique craftsmanship. These beautiful designs can be worn for casual outings, special occasions, vacations, and even everyday fashion. No matter your age or personal style, there is always a crochet blouse design that can make you look fashionable and confident. As you watch this collection, you'll notice a variety of amazing patterns, textures, and creative details. Some designs feature delicate, lace-inspired stitches that create a soft and feminine look. Others showcase bold patterns that make a strong fashion statement. The beauty of crochet fashion is that every piece feels unique and special. One of the biggest trends for 2026 is lightweight crochet blouses. These designs are comfortable, breathable, and perfect for warm weather. They pair beautifully with jeans, skirts, shorts, and even elegant trousers. Whether you're going for a relaxed look or something more sophisticated, crochet blouses offer endless styling possibilities. Another trend you'll see in this collection is the use of modern cuts and creative sleeves. From short sleeves and puff sleeves to sleeveless and off-shoulder styles, designers are bringing fresh ideas to traditional crochet fashion. These details add charm and personality to every outfit. Colors are also playing a major role in crochet fashion this year. Soft neutral shades remain popular because they are easy to match with different outfits. At the same time, vibrant colors are making a strong comeback, helping fashion lovers express their individuality and confidence. As these beautiful designs continue to appear on your screen, take a moment to notice the fine craftsmanship behind each blouse. Crochet work requires patience, skill, and creativity, making every design a true work of art. That's one of the reasons why crochet fashion remains timeless and admired around the world. Which design is your favorite so far? Do you prefer simple and elegant styles, or do you love bold and eye-catching patterns? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and fashion preferences. If you're enjoying this collection, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest fashion inspirations and crochet design collections. Thank you so much for watching. Keep enjoying these beautiful crochet blouse trending designs for 2026, and may they inspire your next stylish outfit. Stay fashionable, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.